Selamat malam semuanya, welcome back to my channel Anang Bidik. Oke guys, hari ini gue bakalan main game Gears 5 lagi. Dan kita akan bermain bersama anak gue, Dapak Kecap, dan adik gue, Fish.
Welcome guys.
Kita akan melanjutkan misi lagi ya guys. Kita langsung start game. Let's go. Loading dulu, loading.
Lanjut yang kemarin ya.
Bener nggak di sini ya kemarin ya?
Iya. Bener.
Ini yang ada itu kan, yang ada apa itu kemarinnya?
Yang mati mulu.
Iya, yang ada ini
Laser.
laser, iya, tembakan laser. Nah, ini dari mana ini?
Ngulang nih yang kemarin.
By the way, gua pakai mukanya Kim Jong Un ya hari ini ya.
Wow, keren.
Look, that must be the Kadar radio tower.
Radio di atas ya.
Ya, come on. Halo Mang Bidik, One Boy Bidik, One Mang Pajar. Dari Om Jaki. Halo Om Jaki.
Jaki ya.
Halo Om Jaki.
Always hadir ya Om Jaki. Keren Om Jaki.
Del, help me.
Ah, kita jadi pembantu lagi, Jar. Tuh kan, abang ini ada ini loh, ada kayak semacam halusinasi dia ini. Schizophrenia. Schizophrenia. Wah, ya cekek. Ah, malu sendiri lo cekek. Ini udah ingat kan? Si Boy yang harus ke sana matiin listriknya.
It's nothing.
Well, good. Because we found it.
Tapi bentar bang. Coba kita ke belakang. Lihat. Ada jalan loh di sini.
Oh iya ya.
We're not getting in there. Not with those turrets in place. I'll
Kok
tell
nggak
you what.
dicek kemarin ya?
A bunch of
Makanya.
renegade scientists didn't build.
Kok abang nggak bisa ke sana?
Masa?
Oh bisa.
Bisa loh. Sini nggak bisa.
Sini Jar, bisa Jar. Ilmu kasab ala Samsudin. Wah, ada mayat. Ini apa nih?
Bodies.
Helm.
Executed.
Wah, helm ini, helm penambang. Oke.
Let's get inside that lab.
Buat apa?
Dan ini buntu ya.
Nothing what and here.
Ini apa sih nyala-nyala?
It's nothing happen.
Ini mesti hati-hati. Timbul nang kayak semalam pulang jadi es batu. Siapa yang kemarin jadi es batu ya?
Siapa?
Biasanya sih nggak jauh-jauh. Kalau bukan si Boy,
Gotta be another.
Apa sih?
ya gue sendiri.
That did. Now you ready to get some answers?
More than ready.
Ayo. Boy, lu udah matiin belum? Wih, pinter juga ini anak ya. Kagak usah disuruh-suruh. Dia udah kerja duluan ternyata ya. Oh iya, kemarin si Pajar yang jadi es batu ya. Dia masuk ke air.
Oh. Berarti Om Jaki nonton sampai habis ya?
Iyalah, kan bisa siaran ulang. Lo kira TV? YouTube coy.
Struck me.
You're this upset about a pinprick?
I have sensitive hands.
Tanganku sensitif. Tangan segede gajah.
What?
Good day.
Niles, is that
Nice,
you?
statue.
Identification is required for entry.
Iya, ini aku ada di balik pintu, guys.
Hey, you can give it a shot, but it's gonna hurt
Ini
more.
nggak bisa di skip ya? Kan udah kan?
Nggak bisa. Bentar ya. Mau gedein mukanya Kim Jong Un. Nah, itu dia tuh. Akhirnya terbuka dan siapa tadi namanya? Aku lain Niles ya. Aku Arul. Arul Power Metal. Welcome home. Oh, ternyata robotnya doang ya. Dia di mana ya?
Explain that welcome home.
Do you really require an explanation?
I think I like the gibberish
Ayo ngebut.
garbage can.
Santai aja,
I see
nikmatin.
you've met my vastly inferior
Nah, ini tempat kita terakhir kemarin ya.
What the hell? It's freezing in here.
Ah, ini si Boy yang bisa nyebrang.
Apparently, some of our
nggak bisa.
cryojets are
Masa sih?
malfunctioning. There must
Ke sini,
be
ke atas,
a
ke atas,
fault
ke
in our
kiri.
system.
Oh
You
iya.
don't say.
Kan? Ya.
Nah, ngulang kan? Ada si Boy.
Apa nyuruh?
Om Jaki, mukaku kayak Kim Jong Un nggak?
Pengen banget. Pengen banget jadi Kim Jong Un.
This way, please.
Sudah. Nggak usah di ini dia, nggak usah didengerin.
Goodness.
Kita jalan aja ya.
Apparently, some of our cryojets are malfunctioning. There must be a fault in our system.
Tendang, oh ini tendang nih.
Of course, we cannot proceed until those cryojets are disabled. Would you mind terribly?
Miserable little garbage can.
Cryojets are
Ulun
probably
kedempatan
powered
lah
like
kalau kena
turrets.
nuklir.
Let's find a generator.
Paling tukang somai, tukang bakso lewat depan rumah.
Bukan siomay Korea.
Matiin Boy.
Bisa.
Bisa.
Oh, enggak.
Hah?
Kita nggak bisa nembak lagi.
Iya ya.
Ya, senjatanya talent lagi. Senjata busuk.
Ini loh, jalan satu-satunya ini. Harus lu matiin Boy.
Enggak bisa loh.
Bentar.
Kenapa ke pause?
Bentar. Ganti muka aja, ganti muka. Wah. Paul Walker dong, Paul Walker. Iya. Ih, ganteng juga ternyata ya. Bisa nggak Boy?
Kita ngikutin dia tadi lah. Si Nails kan namanya?
Ngapain dikasih shock trap?
Ngetes.
Nails, ngapain nih Nails?
Berenang, Bang. Enak kok, Bang.
Boy,
Ini seger.
Coba kita cari jalan lu ke atas.
Kok jadi gini tempatnya?
apa sih?
Oh, enggak. Oh.
Apa sih boy? Stop the Syro leaks.
Emang itu tadi loh, dia harus
Suruh
nyetrum itu. Tuh kan? Ada si boy ini.
Alright, that did it.
Harus pakai itu
Udah.
dong.
Well, then let's
Stop
get back.
bekulnya tuh. Stop
Ah,
bekulnya
kembali
mah
kena
malah
ya.
datang di lain.
Lambat banget larinya.
Ya.
Oke Nel,
Well done.
ngapain
Padahal
lagi?
nih gatel nih mau ngeroll-roll
We need
depan.
to reset those cryojets for quite some time.
Dia mencet apaan sih? Boy,
Nih,
boy, nanti lu
ada dia.
mati ngulang lagi boy.
Aduh boy, sabar boy.
Oh, disurutkan. Oh, ada mayat.
Pasukannya dibekukan nih.
Can. You can't explain
Oh, ini orang-orang lab ini.
Nothing but the remains
Oh,
of an
kecian.
industrial accident.
No, these tanks.
Follow Nails.
Same as the ones at New Hope.
Ngikutin Nails nih.
I noticed.
Ah, yes. My work there began as an effort to
Oh,
cure
liatin.
children ill with rust lung. But it
kalian
mana,
proved
Bang?
something far more
Salah jalan.
significant.
Ini loh,
Cog
ngikutin
wanted
Nails kita.
medicine.
Abang
I
nyari-nyari
gave
peluru.
guards. Oh well, water under the bridge.
Oh ini monster nih. Bukan.
Ini loh di dalam tabung ini monster semua.
Apaan?
Checkpoint 7.
Please, this way.
Nah, tuh,
So
tuh.
after the cog shut you down,
Oh iya.
why come all the way out here?
Our family
Wih,
needed
masih
a place
hidup
to
tuh,
continue our work
Pasti kesini.
in solitude.
No way your family built this alone.
I am quite
Halangin,
certain
halangin,
you lack
halangin.
the necessary
Halangin.
clearances for that information.
Nel, kami harus ngapain Nel? Woi,
This next
Yeah.
area is quite fascinating.
What the hell?
The path to every breakthrough
Ngapain
is paved
dibuka?
with clear.
turunin
Here are some
lagi.
of our
Astaga, si Nel.
unstable specimens.
Komponennya
This
54
breakthrough
gak?
of yours. How did you manage it?
Nah,
One
kurang
of the
kerjaan
miner's
banget ya.
children, as it happens,
Gak di-upgradein
was
kah?
resistant to aging,
Empat loh.
disease. We raised her
Kaget.
as our own.
Upgradein aja yang ada Dava.
Iya.
Biar max.
Kalau
Nice.
Nile. Oh, sini.
Ah, you may find this especially interesting.
Wih, apa nih? Nah, kan. Oh, enggak.
What is it?
That is one of our first successful hybrids.
Oh, hybrid dia.
You mean a locust?
Apa hybrid?
One and the same.
Hybrid tuh dua alam lah
In our
ibaratnya.
previous facility, we had problems with genetic stability. The
Kayak
cells
mamalia.
were distempered
Apa?
and sterile.
Amfibi.
A problem for
Huh?
obvious reasons.
Kayak amfibi berarti.
Tuh Hook mengapungi boy bidik aja.
But the locusts were different. Highly controllable, the perfect soldiers, and blessedly able to reproduce.
What made them different?
Their cells. You see, the emulsion miner's children
Jadi
provided
itu
a
nanti
marvelous
jadi
genetic
musuh kita ya?
repository, as did the indigenous creatures of the Hollow.
In all of your genetic research, it's in here?
Of course.
Oh shit. Hey, Jack, come here.
Hybrid itu gabungan silang. Tuh Jar, dengerin. Ah, kalau dua alam itu amfibi. Pajar tadi Om
Oh
Jaki.
man.
Emang rada-rada agak lain dia.
These file names, man.
But when the extent of one very special child's genetic immunity to emulsion became clear, our work began to soar.
CE 8723.
Go ahead.
Please go ahead.
That, of course,
Kalau diartikan secara
you know her.
ini ya,
Mira.
go ahead.
You
Pergi
bred
ke
her with
kepala.
desires?
Nothing so monstrous.
Ayo kepala.
Her stem cells, however,
Penyabar
were
benar Mang Pajar nih lah.
complementary
Harus
to
sabar Om
cellular
Jaki.
DNA. But we underestimated so much. Young Mira's
Ini siapa nih cewek ini?
strong feelings, for instance.
Young Mirage.
Let me guess. She let her children
Kayaknya dia yang jadi ini ya,
No.
bahan percobaan ya.
But I meant her more traditional maternal feelings for her daughter,
Oh, ada bayi juga guys.
Oh, Little Reina.
your mother.
Ah, your
Oh,
mother.
ibunya.
Itu
Di bayi ini dia
dia.
nih.
I am
Kau
not.
berbohong.
Your mother was born here.
Mamamu lahir di sini.
Spineless father, thus causing
Semacam
young
Sun
Mira's
Gokong ya.
unfortunate rebellion.
Why are you telling me this?
Lahir dari batu.
Many gifts you do not yet understand.
Hey, what's going on?
He will kill you if he knows.
Colonel.
They all will.
What did you just say? Hey. What are you...
What are you
Why did you
doing?
come here with me? What did JD tell you?
Kate,
Apa
I'm
yang
not gonna hurt
JD
you.
beritahu
No.
padamu?
Maybe you should. Maybe I
Jangan
should.
tembak Amang.
That
Kayaknya
will indeed
kayaknya
sound between
ada yang
you and
disembunyikan
Now, shut up!
dari
I
si
won't let
Kate.
them do to me what they did to
Del
my
ini
mother.
kayaknya nggak tahu apa-apa.
Your mother.
Ya kelihatan kok dari mukanya.
And what did they do to your mother?
In the hive. They changed her.
I killed her itu yang dia lihat di penglihatan masa depannya itu kan ada kan abang bilang kan
That is the process that
dia nusuk
allows
mamahnya
them
Jar.
to grow.
Waduh.
Without a queen, they remain unguided.
See? I'm a weapon.
Aku adalah senjata.
You're not.
Stres.
No,
Back in
you
the
are
time,
not. Not
When I
itu
was
not
inside
balok
that snatcher.
ada not do re mi fa sol la si do.
I was controlling them.
What?
Apa?
I think I killed Oscar.
Wait a
Aku
minute.
rasa aku membunuh Oscar.
You think? Or you did?
Kau pikir atau kau lakukan?
I don't know. I want it out of my head. I wanted to stop.
Aku ingin keluar dari kepalaku yang ingin stop.
Mati kepala. Mati dong.
And you're gonna stop it.
And if I do not,
Then we delete you and destroy every bit
Aku
of
akan
your
hapusmu.
precious research.
then please allow me to assist you.
And we're supposed to just trust your good word here?
You are free to
Nah,
trust
bisa
or
nembak,
not
Jar.
trust whomever you like.
Belum. Cuma
But
bisa
tell me
nge-aim.
something. Your mother and the Hive.
Bisa nembak kok. Oh
Did she
belum.
resist?
Of course she did.
So I feared. Young Mira needed
Apa
no
lagi
such
yang ini?
crude incorporation.
Mamusang Sidin.
Niles, tell me. My grandfather
Halangin.
One of my best geneticists. He fled
Ayo,
with little Raina
kita bully,
because
kita
he no
bully
longer
si Niles.
believed in our work.
Apa lo? Hah?
Hidung
Apa lo?
besar.
Apa lo? Hah?
Hipnos.
I told Mira Raina had perished in
Jar,
the
Jar.
escape attempt.
Ya nangis.
I assumed that would end the matter. I greatly
Oh, ngebut dia.
calculated.
Dari mana
Ini
teman-teman
lagi
Neos
pasang terus shock trap.
nih?
But it appears we have another malfunction. Perhaps you could
terlancar.
address it.
Ya dia nyelamatin temannya loh.
Siapa yang ngambil retro launcher?
Mana retro launcher tadi?
Yes.
Ya,
Yes.
pencet.
Kok luka? Kok mati? Astaga, mati tiba-tiba.
Terbang dong.
Salah injek ya?
Ngulang drewal.
Aduh, mana dia kelamaan drama lagi sinetron. Oh, kagak dari sini dong.
Ngalangin awas ah.
Apa?
Awas boy.
It
Aduh
appears
boy.
we have another malfunction. Perhaps you could address it.
Nah. Oh my god. My retro launcher hilang, guys. Nah, ini ada senjata mereka nih. Tekan F nggak bisa juga ya? Oh, ini nih ada senjata mesin.
Kita nungguin apa nih? Ntar.
Oh, harus dimatiin.
Rolix. Oh, mau stop lagi. Gimana
Harus si
nih?
boy nih, si boy.
Ntar nyari mesinnya. Kayaknya di belakang.
Boy, awas boy. Hati-hati boy.
Adakah? Sudah mesinnya?
Pastinya masuk sini nih. Bikin kebal dong boy.
Oh iya ya.
Mana?
Mati lagi Jar.
Sengaja pasti.
Ini kada siapa jadi es batu pulang. Sudah terjadi Om Jaki. Kok lu cepet Jar?
Halangi. Aduh.
It appears we have another malfunction. Perhaps you could address it.
Right.
Bentar. Jar. Mati. Sudah Jar. Astaga. Dia sengaja mati Om Jaki biar dapat retro launcher. Astaga.
Udahlah.
Lambat. Aduh.
Buruan. Mel, lo buka.
Ih, boy ngalangin. Awas.
But it appears we have another malfunction. Perhaps
Sudah
you
Jar.
could address it.
Jar sudah Jar. Stop the
Bisa,
cyclic.
Kita
Apaan?
nyari saya.
Yang lihat ke sana. Oh, di tempat sana.
Mana?
Nggak tahu.
Kayak kuning tadi loh, itu dia. Itu loh dia nah, itu nah.
Itu
Nah, sana tuh nah.
Mana?
itu
Itu loh di
komponen.
depan. Oh, itu komponen, bukan. Jangan. Jangan, Boy.
Jangan ngulang lagi kita.
aku jalan sendiri ya? Eh.
Mana sih?
Harus apa ini?
Ini harus kemana ya?
Di belakang. Coba.
Coba gunakan ini. Hah? Ini dong.
Kagak ada, Jar. Balik. Kita larinya lambat bener ya?
Gunakan ini.
Apa sih? Kagak bisa.
Coba pukulin ini orang-orang ini.
Nggak bisa
pakai F.
mukul.
Bisa nembak.
F.
Nggak bisa.
Oh. Aduh.
Nembak juga nggak bisa ya. Ayo. Ting.
Nah, coba.
Boy, lu sabotase itu bisa nggak, Boy?
Coba cari jalan buat Boy gitu loh.
Boy, sini, Boy.
Mana? Itu
Boy.
lubang tuh nggak bisa kah, Boy? Oh, bukan.
Boy, sini. Boy, lu kesini. Itu, di atas itu. Ada senjata. Bisa lu sabotase nggak?
Gimana?
Lu apain kek? Lu pencet apa kek? Nah.
Tuh yang di bawah tuh apa tuh? Kotak di bawah tuh.
Nah, itu dia listriknya.
Siapa yang bisa masuk?
Si Boy. Harus kebal dulu dia. Ya, si
Bisa.
Boy lancar. Astaga, dia kan
Bisa.
terbang.
He's done it. Your little friend is quite handy.
Aduh.
Hidung besar. Gak bilang.
Well, you do make a lovely couple.
Berguna juga ya ini.
Jar, sniper Jar. Oh, bukan pipa. Pipa bisa dipakai.
Would you please follow me?
Bentar. Ini pipa makanya. Enggak.
I would request
Oh,
you
serem ya.
move close to me.
Rasanya mereka
I
ini
am no
bakalan
guide,
tiba-tiba
after all.
hidup loh.
Almost there now.
I'm curious. How does it feel to have your life's work turn on you?
I choose to view it differently.
Ini kada siapa longser rambut pemain.
Longed for independence. Mirror
Ini apa,
showed
Pak?
them the way.
Apa sih?
Praktis ya?
I have
Huh?
always been proud of your
Stalaktit.
grandmother.
Ya,
I still am.
stalaktit,
The
bukan
matriarch was generated from your grandmother's stem cells.
kalaktit ya.
Waduh.
This device is where Mirror
Enggak.
learned to control
Waduh,
her
gede
power.
banget.
When we
Wah,
Giant.
just
Blanka. Tahu nggak kalian Blanka?
Enggak.
Ah, lu
Tekken kah?
bocil lu semua lu.
by
Kagak main
violently
Street Fighter
damaging
lu.
her brain.
Oh, Street Fighter.
Di Nintendo.
Damaging her brain?
Her connection to the locust is
Kayak gitu
based
tuh
on
rupanya
a
tuh si
genetic
Blanka tuh.
algorithm inside her temporal lobe.
Gua nggak pernah
Altering
dibeli
that requires
Nintendo.
Kalau Tekken
anesthesia,
pernah.
you could say.
Sounds like a lobotomy.
Tekken itu game
Unfortunately,
udah
it's highly
baru.
invasive. This
Game
is
jadul dong.
directed. While I work, the matriarch will guide your mind, undetected, to where it must go.
Okay. All
No,
right.
no. You're not doing
You are
this.
not doing this. I do not trust this cage.
Aku
Then
tidak
watch him.
percaya.
But I have to do this. I'm losing control. I won't hurt anyone else, understood?
Understand?
Understood.
Understood.
Blanka tuh neng kayak landak tuh kalau mengeluarkan listrik. Bener banget Om Jaki. Habis itu ada yang sumo itu karakternya siapa namanya?
Kalau anu tahu nggak? Om Jaki, Blancat.
Belancat tuh.
Painless as possible.
Cawat basah
You better.
dipakai sekolah. Itu belancat.
Penyakit ketiak luntur pikangan.
Oh, masuk ke alam bawah sadar. Kok kesini lagi sih? Oh itu Blanka. Screenshot cakep.
Suaranya kayak Warden di Minecraft loh. Keren banget.
Kata Om Jaki nih, Blancat it's lingsak ner papi kangen. Wih, serem. Tapi kok dia baik?
Temenan loh.
Mungkin ibunya loh ini.
Bapaknya nih. Kalau ini bapaknya, ibunya manusia normal. Masa ibunya mau sama dia? Serang dia, serang.
She okay?
She is fine.
Patience.
Kate,
Anak
come here.
membari rumus butut.
Come here.
Nah, Om Jaki ini. Berapa besok keluar Om Jaki? Kado sebanyak-banyak 4 angka aja Om Jaki. Nah, kita dalam perutin ya.
Nah, ini
Itu emaknya tuh. Emakku adalah kakakku.
Hah?
Masa emaknya muda?
Oh iya.
Tua juga ya, tua. Jahat lagi.
Kedua terbang bang.
Hey, Niles. Niles, where you going?
Nilesnya menghilang. Astaga, dia kabur. Astaga, Niles ya. Sudah muka rata lu, Niles. Cabut aja alatnya. Pinter. Ayo. Alarm. Bangun, Kat. Haro terkibar semangat lalu.
Itu banget loh.
Ayo bangun. Ini jangan-jangan si Niles jebak kita ya?
Are you okay?
Dia bangunin nanti tuh monster tuh.
Okay, come on, we can talk about it later.
No, listen.
Monster yang dalam tabung banyak. Wah,
My mother, she's alive.
ibuku hidup.
It wasn't really her, except it was. Where is he?
Emergency shutdown in effect.
Emergency shutdown.
matikan.
Come on. He went this way. Come on.
Oh, sistemnya dimatikan ya?
Mau dikurung gitu.
Kabur.
Itu mau dikurung. Jack mana Jack?
Jack kagak ikut.
Dia nggak ikut dong.
Back here, Niles!
Balik.
Damn it.
Kok liar banget?
Surely you see I've done you a kindness. You are no longer
Kan mode lari ini.
my mind and your
Wih,
mother,
keren. Kemana? Aduh, nyangkut.
so to speak.
I'm gonna fucking kill
Mana
you!
nih? Aduh.
Sini, Jar.
I don't give a shit!
Muter doang.
Lockdown commencing. Please exit the lab immediately.
Shit. We gotta stop. Look for a way through.
Woi, jangan misah, woi. Lu ngapain bawa pipa?
Tahu kambil. Mana sih? Oh, nggak bisa.
Kate,
Nggak bisa.
it's getting colder. We gotta do something.
Ini.
What are you doing?
Sini. Terjun ya?
We gotta get through this ice.
Oh, ini loh, dihancurin loh.
Oh iya.
Cepetan.
You're not gonna do anything but freeze if we don't lift this
Mau
lockdown.
beku nih udah.
Aduh, nggak bisa. Nih. Ini ada tanda nih.
Shit! I think this was Niles!
Just slap his
Oh,
hand
itu
on his head.
Niles-nya. Oh, berarti yang sama kita itu bukan ya? Palsu itu. Pintu mana sih? Ini komponen.
He put this whole place in a deep freeze right before he bled to death.
Good fucking.
Ya, senjata lancar gue hilang, Bang. Ganti sama pipa, Bang.
Down.
Ah, itu tuh lip. Lip kemana?
Gone.
Oh, I'm sure that's not gonna be a problem. Let's just find Niles. Come on.
Oh, sudah.
Gas,
Buat
gas,
foto
gas.
nih.
The matriarch was
Subjek.
unwise. You will die,
Turun ya?
which means
Ya,
you
turun.
will never know the grandeur of your mother. Transfigured.
I'm gonna kill you, Niles. Help me lift
Ayo, 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 ayo. Boy, buruan anak bawang, boy.
Haha, terima kasih.
Ayo, ayo, ayo.
Kate, you want to tell me what the hell Niles?
Every child needs a playmate.
Ya,
Cari senjata,
hidupin
Jar.
aja ini. Kan?
Jar, cari senjata. Abang baru dapat yang gede.
I said.
Aduh, gue pipa doang, Bang. Aduh. Sama pistol talent. Oh, senjata musuh nih ambil nih. Langsung maju,
Kenapa ini?
hajar.
Bikin beku.
Watch it! More locusts!
Kan dapat lancar.
Sini abang bekuin. Oh,
You see, what you don't realize. What
mana lagi, hah?
is that much
Awas Jar, jangan ke bawah Jar. Nggak bisa kita.
they have been designed to withstand generational conflict.
Boy, lu matiin dulu, boy.
They may withdraw.
Yang
Oh,
buat
ini
ke bawah.
patungnya bisa dihajar, Bang. Baru senjatanya jatuh.
Always return.
Kan?
We have
Banyak
seen
peluru lancar nih.
I am really looking forward to shutting that garbage can up. Okay, it looks like
Kok
we're
abang
clear.
nggak punya senjata
Let's
ya?
keep moving.
Ini
Niles
loh,
can't
ambil
get
loh.
away.
Gimana sih?
Banyak.
Ini nggak bisa diganti loh. Oh,
Ini
udah.
buka
Take
buka
that.
pintunya.
Ah, sudah.
Ini boy. Pasang shock trap, boy. Itu, boy. Aduh, boy kemana?
Udah terlantar lagi.
Take that.
Sini.
Mana?
Boy, ini loh, boy.
Buka lo pintunya.
Kemana, Jar?
Lo.
Kemana,
Ini
Jar?
dulu loh, kami nggak bisa lewat.
Apa sih itu?
Itu tuh matiin listriknya, boy.
Ini.
Oh,
Nah, gitu dong, pinter.
loh. Dari tadi ada airnya ya?
Astaga, dia nggak lihat.
Kering loh, tidak apa?
Lo kan grafiknya. Sorry. Waalaikumsalam.
Wah, sebentar. Tes?
Ya.
Hai. Kendurnya off. Done.
Ya udah, boleh deh, tulis deh. Ini yang gimana nih? Saya mau lihat dulu nih. Jadi pedas mampus cabenya tuh 100 cabai. Adi serius. Pedas gila aja ya. Enggak mau yang tengahnya aja. Aku aja yang 100 beli, enggak apa-apa. Serius ya. Ini menunya guys. Jadi ada pedas mampus cabai 100, pedas gila cabai 105. Kayaknya gua bisa Serius bang, cabenya satu bang. Indomie satu. Indomie satu. Serius. Wah. Cabai di mini. Iya, cabai di mini. Ya udah deh.
Yo, come on.
Gitu ya.
Loh?
Satu lagi pedas gila nih.
Ya.
Gas.
Yes. Lanjut guys. Ada gangguan sedikit tadi. Sorry. Wah, kok tiba-tiba banyak launchers. Retro launcher. Itu jangan diambil, Jar.
Kenapa?
Bikin beku doang.
Ini loh. Buka loh.
Hah?
Pintunya ini dibuka.
Mana sih?
Oh ini tuas.
Kagak bisa.
Shit. Locked.
There has to
Kunci.
be another way to open it.
Perang.
Oh, kita hancurin dulu nih. Jar, semua. Nanti bangun mereka. Hancurin dulu pakai F aja.
I wonder if Jack can help.
Apa sih?
Yang buku-buku dihancurin ya.
Nah ini.
Ini ada lagi nih. Wah, banyak banget di sini. Ini kali nih, bisa nih. Ah, nggak bisa juga.
Main nih.
Find a way to open the lab door. Cari jalan untuk membuka pintu lab. Teka-teki lagi ini. Boy, lu masuk ke atas itu, Boy. Boy, itu tuh,
Iya.
tuh.
Tembak dulu lah.
Hah?
Tembakin.
Apa sih?
Itu loh. Oh,
Itu loh dia, tuh. Cakep.
Hey, more locusts are coming.
Oh, salah sembunyi.
Udah kan?
Hey, Jack. Don't take your
Hidup.
time on this.
Iya. Kenal.
Aduh, labirin dong.
Ah,
Baru hidup langsung mati. Mati loh. Kena bang. Tolong.
wait. Headshot.
Shit, they
Hey, Jack got the door open.
good, but we can't leave yet. I'm not letting these things
Mana?
All right,
Kita harus
let's
kemana
finish
sih?
them all.
Basmi dulu.
Sini loh.
Gas. Open the door.
Get down.
Then let's get after Niles.
Udah habis. Segitu doang.
Peluru. Penuhin dulu.
Mantai ke depan lu.
Open.
Nah, ini. Mana tadi ya? Kok hilang?
Ada longshoot lumayan. Longshoot ah. Sudah terbuka tuh. Ayo bang.
Tunggu, abang ngambil peluru.
Buka pintunya dulu, Mang.
Peluru ini sangat penting. Ya, dia pencet. What the?
Hell. Waduh.
Ya kan tempat yang tadi juga. Oh, Blanca!
Close the damn door. Close it.
Luka lu, Jar.
Apa masih sehat? Boy masuk sini boy.
I have exactly zero interest in finding out. Let's go.
Nggak bisa.
What the hell is that thing?
I got a glimpse inside its head. You don't want to know.
Kemana sih
Kita ke kanan bang.
Ya, kabur buruan.
Where the hell is
Gede
Miles?
banget ya. Kayak Hulk.
My goodness. Someone seems to have awakened my sires from their long hibernation. I wonder who that could have been.
Aduh, ini di mana lagi nih?
Del, get ready.
Itu dia ya? Bukan. Sayur doang ini.
Holy shit! You're even ugly up close!
Ayo.
Hey! Horrible!
Oh, it's been so long since my sires have run free.
Oh no.
TW.
Target down!
Tentang gue cewek lu meluk dari belakang. Oh. Lagi Jar, abang dipeluk terus Jar. Tolong.
Nggak bisa nolongin, nggak bisa ditembak. Harus lu sendiri bang. Udah kena.
Ayo buruan. Ntar ulang loh.
Tolong.
Boy, tolong boy.
Tolong, hampir mati.
Tolong,
Mau mati.
Boy. Ya, pecah kepala, putus kepala kita guys. Astaga.
Apa sih no?
Gor banget ya. Lu robot kagak dipeluk sama dia. Astaga. Putus kepalanya boy. Lo mau papa kasih lihat yang beneran?
My goodness. Someone seems to have awakened my sires from their long hibernation.
Di film banyak.
Wonder who that could have been.
Shit! We got company!
Boom.
Holy shit! You're even ugly up close!
Polisi.
No, salah. Aduh, mana
Men.
retro?
Laki duduk.
Hey!
Ya nggak apa.
I see him.
Berani nyerang kamu nyerang.
Shotgun.
Long since my sires
Shotgun.
have run
Hah?
free.
Meledak palanya.
Di sini kita tadi. Gua shotgun loh, ha? Keren banget shotgun.
Orang gue yang ngancurin coba.
Wah, itu papa loh.
Ih, apa?
So then let's keep after
Cari
Niles.
peluru shotgun dulu.
Ayo.
Bentar.
Hey Niles, we're still coming.
Kok nggak ada peluru shotgun sih?
I really don't care.
Di patung itu loh banyak bang.
Mana?
Di atas. Nah, tuh. Cepet.
Ayo. Wah, harinya ya. Mau hujan lebat ini.
Enak nih.
Di mana? Di Pebul.
Kayak kepalanya. Ya. Kisah Wani Boy Bidik. Kalau ditonton akan
Aduh.
hutan kami. Blanka. Screenshot dulu. Ah, itu belakang. Dia harus ditembak belakangnya.
Oh, dia buta.
Masa sih?
Itu dia aja nggak ada suara.
Ini banyak senjata nih. Peluru shotgun banyak. Sini. Sana kah?
Kagak tahu. Wih, keren Jar, pakai shotgun Jar.
Let's keep going.
My sire's interest in self-preservation was for
Oh, we got
Nah,
you, you
ini.
son of a bitch!
Nailes.
Oh, ini darah
Nel.
hijau nih.
Nails.
Nail tuh bukannya paku ya? Ini kok kita
Nail
kayak
tuh
muter-muter
kuku.
doang ya Jar?
Kayaknya jalannya satunya tadi loh.
Ini jalan awal ini. Oh, bener aja kalau ini jalan awal kan kita cari jalan keluar.
Enggak,
lagi
nih.
buka pintu.
Itu tuh, datang boy tuh ya bang. Kok
Keras
lancar?
banget ya.
Retro semua.
Ah, retro lagi. Ini nih jalannya nih. Ah, ini ada nih.
Bang sini bang.
Bentar.
Bahas
Boy,
banget.
boy.
Hah? Buka.
Kita
Ada
hajar Neil.
Neil di sini. Neil,
Peluru banyak. Nice.
kejar Neil.
Peluru abang full.
Right behind
Ya
you.
udah
Nile.
langsung.
I told you I
Neil,
Waduh, gimana nih? Waduh,
mantap Neil, hancurin.
nah, kita melawan Blanka guys. Screenshot terus. Oh, kok dia beku?
Langsung tembakin.
Belakangnya, woi.
Oh,
Ya.
umpan ya. Apa kamu bang? Hah?
Mana sih dia?
Tembakin bawahnya lantai. Pancing ke sini. Pancing ke kolam sini.
Aduh,
Boy, pancing ke sini, boy. Lu tembakin lantai. Boy.
Belakangnya tuh, punggungnya.
Pancing ke sini ke sini.
Neil,
Boy.
hei.
Biar dia ke sini dulu.
Oh dia buta.
It doesn't like the cold. Don't get it freezes it.
Mati.
Awas. Mana dia? Jar, awas Jar.
Check your aim.
Wah, sasaran empuk.
Tembakin bawahnya. Ya. Tembakin.
Yes.
Ya.
Yang buku.
Shoot us back.
Drag out.
Awas. Sini dulu, pancing dulu. Penglihatan. Apa sih ini?
Tembakin lantainya.
Abang nggak bisa ngeliat ini lagi
Nah,
ini.
masuk.
Masuk ke mana?
Beku dia.
Yuk, tembak.
Lantai lagi kena.
Stop.
Yes. Buruan.
Sini.
Ya, orang dia dulu. Udah kecebur.
Idiot banget ya.
Ya cepet banget dia bangun. Apalagi ini. Abang kena penglihatan lagi. Aduh.
Dia kecebur lagi tuh. Tuh, pakai shotgun loh, cepat.
Lantai Jar. Lantainya.
Bentar. Kena tangkap. Ya, mati.
Ya.
Ya.
Ah.
Kita gini aja. Kita menjauh, dia ngejar kita. Kita harus hancurin itunya.
Ya Allah.
Lantainya ya. Lantai woi, ingatin woi.
Now or never. Let's kill this thing.
On his back.
Sini, Blanka. Sini Blanka.
Dia nyariin loh.
Hey, it knows where you are.
Kecebur.
Now's the chance.
Ya gitu caranya, dipancing dulu.
Ya. Dari tadi gitu.
Ih,
Napasnya.
cepet banget.
Here, Jack.
Mana dia?
Belakang.
Penglihatan lagi nih abang nih.
Air, tembak airnya.
Belum maju. Nah,
Nggak apa-apa, hancurin dulu. Dia nggak ngeliat juga.
Ya dia buta.
Awas.
Ketangkap. Lagi. Nice.
peluru habis langsung ganti.
Jauh.
Ah, penglihatan lagi. Ah.
Kabur tuh.
Mantap.
Langsung shotgun. Mundur. Itu apa tuh? Awas.
Wah. Paku-pakunya bang.
Awas dia ngelompat.
Ya, kena tabrak loh. Kemana sih dia?
Ya, kenapa?
Ditabraknya bang. Kalau sembunyi udah.
Ini jar salto, double space.
Udah.
Serem juga ya si Blanka ya.
Emang serem udah gede banget itu.
Kasih bom deh.
Trap gak bisa sama dia.
Throwing grenade!
On his back! Hey! He knows where you are! Now's our chance! Shoot his back!
Susah banget, harus muter lagi ke sini.
Holy shit!
Langsung lari.
Jauh banget dia.
Oh iya, ada kedepan.
Coba kecebur tuh.
Mana sih dia? Abang lagi penglihatan merah ini. Lagi alam lain. Ih, benerannya.
Awas, lemparin.
Tolong.
Ya.
Terus.
Bullshit!
Awas, nabrak bang.
Ah, abangnya penglihatan terus sih.
Not again!
Mana dia?
Cebur.
Abang gak lihat apa-apa, sumpah.
Nice, awas.
Nah,
Ya kan.
dia ngelompat langsung ke abang.
Udah mau mati loh.
Selalu belakangin bang kalau buku tuh bang. Jangan di depannya.
Abang terpana tadi.
Harus di belakang lah kalau dia habis buku tuh. Mundur. Roll.
On his back!
Ya kena tabrak.
Mati dah.
Susah banget deh.
Baru bilangin.
Siapa tuh noob banget tuh? Siapa tuh yang
Ini paling susah ya kita lawan ya. Awas.
Awas, loncat.
On his back!
Jauh.
Hey! He knows where you are! Now's our chance! Shoot his back!
Mundur bang. Jauh bang. Ntar dia hancur sendiri tuh esnya kalau dia jalan.
Ah, abang kelihatan terus.
Ya, siapa tuh? Makan.
Hah?
Papa dimakan ternyata ya.
Kagak.
Mundur, roll.
Reload.
Awas. Ini. Ih, kena.
Ya.
Awas, awas.
Ya, untung nggak ketabrak. Dikit lagi ketabrak. Gila.
Kasih lubang. Ah, kena.
Pencet F, pencet F.
Udah.
Maju sini kau. Aman. Langsung ke belakang.
Terus. Langsung ganti senjata.
Kabur dulu. Jauh banget Hulknya.
Ah, penglihatan lagi.
Hancurin dulu kalau dia mau ke sini. Nah, biar aja ke sini. Maju sini, bro. Woi, bro. Oh, bang. Sini, bang. Mampus.
Awas,
Langsung
jangan
kabur. Ya, awas tancapan. Kena lagi. Iya. Kecebur es. Ya.
Udah mau mati.
Ya.
Kecebur es. Susah banget loh. Gila.
Berapa kali sudah?
Gak tahu.
Now or never. Let's kill this thing.
Look! On his back!
Awas, mati lagi si Fajar.
Ada ingat. Catat.
Dia ngobrol sama ibu-ibu.
Udah bang.
Hah?
Oh, iya.
Sudah. Sudah.
Sudah.
Salah pencet. Perjalanan ini rasa sangat menyedihkan.
Let's kill this thing.
Shotgun lagi.
Look! On his back!
Lagi.
Now's our chance! Shoot his back!
Shotgun lagi. Woi, salah, woi. Mana dia? Ah, penglihatan lagi. Sini.
Oh, that's not good!
Mana sih dia? Dari jauh aja dah.
Watch it.
Awas, dia nabrak.
Tuh kecebur tuh.
Awas.
Parah.
Ah, lagi-lagi muncul penglihatan tidak berguna. Boy, bangun, boy. Kalau dia begitu lari, lompat, nah itu bisa dihindarin.
Nice boy.
Bom, kasih bom.
Dikit lagi.
Jangan mati ya.
Kabur. Coba lagi tuh.
Oh dia.
Ayo. Duh, kemana tuh? Lagi penglihatan.
Untung jauh dia bang.
Mana sih?
Things you're linked to me, right? Well, get ready to switch off.
Bikin lubang. Dar.
Cebur nih.
Mati ini. Mati dia.
Fix mati. Nice.
Yes.
Gila siapa ini pro banget sih.
Yes.
Tanya ya, tapi buta dia.
Caka boy bidik jen tapi jauh pada pian mang mun penglihatan. Pinah abang suruh boy bidik membari kebal. Nah, bener juga kata Om Jaki nih.
It was real.
Okay, then maybe she'll, I don't know, help us.
I don't know really.
She would, if she could.
She will.
But she's not my mother anymore.
Then who is she?
Their queen.
Their queen. Oh, ratunya.
Come on.
Ternyata beneran cewek ya? Oh, beres kah? Kita keluar.
If they've really got their queen, and Nas is right about what happens next, we need a new plan.
Macam-macam ya steknya. Ada di
We need
kota,
the old plan. We need the hammer of
ada di
dawn.
kutub. Tuh jemputan kita udah datang. Grab. Sini.
Oh, thank God.
Sesuai aplikasi ya.
Wadidaw.
Wih, goldbook.
How'd you find us?
You think I'm gonna give you a one-of-a-kind piece of tech without the ability to track it to the center of the planet?
Yeah, fine. And speaking of one of a kinds, help me hook up this skip.
You find what you're looking for?
Yeah.
Sekarang kita harus membunuhnya.
Is she, all right?
Not really.
Oh, kita membawa itu ya? Queen tadi ya?
How long would it take to get the hammer of dawn up and running?
Funny you should ask. The data drive you found months ago about the UIR?
Yeah?
Mau di gurun, mau di es.
Interesting how?
You'll see.
Kostum mereka ini ya.
For us, I have an old UIR contact.
Armor.
Take us home, Sam.
Oh, kayaknya di bawah itu tadi. Tuh kan ditarik kan. Wih, keren.
Widih.
Tamat ya?
Iya, tamat.
Masuk tau.
Cuh.
Ada juga kah mandi bebuan tentaranya nih?
Oh iya juga ya.
Kata Om Jaki. Itu Om kalau dibuka tuh kostum. Terus kalau kata orang Banjar tuh dihingut. 3 hari 3 malam kagak bangun lo.
Melibas.
Meledak.
Aduh. Ini kenapa nih diam aja?
Ah, ini X3. Wih.
Few weeks later. Berapa minggu?
Wow.
Lighting change.
Welcome to Vasgar, home to the Union of Independent Republics.
Oh, sekarang di gurun pakaiannya lebih terbuka ya.
Never been in UIR territory before.
Panas. Basah ketiak kalau pakai full kostum.
Otot dia.
Oh, ini keren tatonya sampai muka.
Okay, Remember how I told you only pissed off nomads lived out here now? Meet Garen Paddock, the most pissed off and nomadic of
Apakah
them
saya
all.
ganti skin?
This is your old UIR contact?
Alan pada
Things
jinet
I
ketemu
dislike,
Jackie.
Bear. The car
Destrol.
and children. You've brought me both.
Two things I dislike: old men and deserts. And yet, here we are.
Tunggu bentar ya.
I like this one. Follow
Boy,
me.
ambilin minum papa boy ya.
So, it turns out the UIR space program went way beyond what the COG publicly revealed. Somewhere in this cosmodrome here, there's a rocket loaded with functional Hammer of Dawn satellites. I think we can get the entire system back online and start hitting the swarm where they live.
If the UIR has satellites during the Pendulum Wars, why didn't you use them?
The politicians wanted their armistice. Launching those satellites would have guaranteed another century of war. But still, some in our military tried to launch.
It kinda triggered a small civil war, actually.
So we know this Cosmodrome's layout.
Ada
Where
nggak?
are the satellites?
Try the
Ah, nggak
rocket.
usah kalau
Here.
itu ada
And the
juga di
wind
sini.
flares are too severe to fly over that desert. So that's where your skiff comes in.
Question. How do we know these satellites
Oh, di
are still
kamar lu
functional?
tadi ada tuh.
Or if they're even
Minuman papa.
compatible with ours?
Iya, papa baru
We
baru
don't.
ingat.
And that's where you
Di kamar lu.
Unless
Kasur.
you're too cowardly, or stupid, or weak.
Man, who is that?
A friend, believe it or not. But for now, get to know the layout of that place. There's a good chance most of it's buried in sand. Oh, and
Kita mencari gangan asam lawan Papuyu Baumbar Jar. Tenang aja, kalian ada di pihak kita Jar. Nah, minum dulu Om Jaki.
Minum
Yuk, kita
apaan?
Biliar dulu yuk.
No one's sure this will work.
I don't care.
Sticknya mana?
We'll make it work. We have
Aku
to.
bintang.
Maybe it's
Kita
time
datengin Bear.
what you saw in that machine.
It's not what I saw. It's what I felt. They have a queen now. They're not gonna
Ini
stop.
kasino kan? Oh iya kasino.
Look,
Oh, ini tanah merah kayak di Mars ya.
so I have to stop her.
Yeah, but this
Cepet
is
turun bang.
on you.
Bentar, nih ada yang bisa diambil masih.
Ya untung bisa terbangnya. Kasino.
Good, you're here. Grab this
Install Jack
module off the
upgrade.
table.
Nah, tuh.
Jack's about due for an upgrade.
Wih.
Ije.
Ulun kacar saatnya mengambil minum juga. Ah, ini apa nih? Maksudnya gimana? Ulang. Oh, dia bisa mengontrol musuh biar nyerang temennya.
Module isn't gonna install
Ya kan?
itself.
Bener kan?
Just saying.
Jadi teman.
Komponen 1.
So, what's the upgrade?
Lo upgrade,
Follow
boy.
me. So a couple
Follow
of days
Bear.
ago, I sent Paddock a care package. Some DBs and some leeches.
Ini di Mars kita ya?
Potentially disastrous.
Tanah merah begini.
Thank you. See,
Lihat
the way
lagi
you
tuh.
described Niles' machine gave me an idea. I call it hijack. Go ahead.
Ah, lo harus latihan Jar. Si boy.
Boy, cobain boy.
Terus dia serang temennya. Itu yang
Gue
sana.
yang ngendalin, Pak.
Iya
Hah?
yang sana tuh.
Gue yang ngendalin.
Lah ditembak, ngapain lu diam aja?
Diapain ini?
Dipencet lah. Ini robot lemes bener ya.
Oh.
You figured out how to override the
Nice.
hive mind?
No. Jack just
Akhirnya
floods
bisa
their
nembak,
brains
Kak.
with voltage. It's crude, doesn't last long.
Oh, kalau kita ada bosnya,
So which
lu
swarm?
pengaruhin aja boy.
Well,
Oh, iya
Ini ada komponen nih.
data is limited, obviously.
Ambil. Satu dong.
You know what? Go nuts out there. See what happens.
3.
Ya, tumben.
Oh, one more thing. Stop by and see Paddock before
Sampai
you go.
komponen itu
He's
paling
out
epic
front.
tuh 5.
Gosi, Paduk.
One more thing, Bear.
Apaan sih Paduk?
Once we get this hammer
Ada
up,
Paduk. Itu nama orang yang pakai tato ada dua aja.
Oh, itu namanya
Worry about
Paduk.
that.
Kayak kagak ada nama
We're
lagi ya.
gonna do it right.
you know what happened to Lizzie? and
Paduka
Paul.
kan.
It wasn't your
Iya,
fault.
Kind of you to say, but
Lupa jenderal.
I'm the one who pushed the button.
Had a bad feeling about it.
Bukannya
I
pintu.
didn't want to do it, but I did. So that's on me.
Speaking of
Come have a look, children. Until a few weeks ago, we were holding out
Oh.
fine against your
Wih, keren
so-called
banget ya.
swarm. Then everything changed. They got smarter.
Ini apa nih?
Suddenly they were wearing armor, and they started
Armor.
making these. Take one
Ada armor.
if you want.
Armor.
You all have been fighting
Nah,
this
ini
war.
armor nih.
Yes,
Helm.
which is why I agreed to let Baird come here.
Oh, nggak bisa dipakai?
We help you with your rocket launch. You help us take back our land. Speaking of which, our water supply's been cut off. We've been trying to
Ini
restore
senjata apa nih ya?
Your swarms made that difficult, to say the least.
Getting the hammer-up's our priority, but
Wah, ini apa lagi nih?
say we help.
Seluruh banyak banget.
Launcher GL.
Our
Launcher
water
GL
tower.
dibuang.
You'll pass it on the
Gila.
way up. Haven't heard from my people there in a while.
Abang nggak dapat yang baru yang bagus.
Nothing.
Oh, akhirnya rambut Kate kelihatan.
Check in if you can.
Akhirnya Kate jadi cewek,
Now
guys.
the big question. Are you
Iya.
children really prepared for this? Because your skiff's ready
Apa
on the
dah?
runway, and the desert awaits.
Apalagi nih misinya nih?
Go to
Emang
runway.
di papa kemarin nggak ada ya?
Coba senjata baru ah.
Ih, keren.
Lama argue.
Oh, kita naik itu lagi tuh.
I did some training in the Deadlands back in OCS. Let me know if you want a few desert pointers.
You know, only one of us grew up in a city, and
Planet
wasn't
berada.
never seen weird formations like this before.
It's
Ini apa ya? Kayak gerak-gerak.
Oh,
Bear, are we expecting anyone?
No, we are not.
well, this can't be good.
Wih, senjata mereka keren-keren.
I don't believe this. I hope you're not here to stop us,
Actually,
because you can't.
Kate,
Maybe you should try listening for once.
Kate. I'm listening.
Yeah, well, don't bother. I'm done.
Okay. Because I'm here to help. If you'll have me.
I'm sorry. What?
What?
Dad told me about Mount Kadar. What you learned. And look, I know you don't trust me. After everything that happened, what I've done.
Aku tahu kau tidak percaya kepadaku.
So what does Jen think about you being here?
Jen doesn't know.
Tidak tahu.
Really?
And let me guess, he's here to pitch in too?
lama banget.
Yeah.
Skip.
Turns out
Kagak bisa
fun isn't so
di-skip,
bad.
boy.
I am actually. You just got used to me.
Who the hell are they?
Oh, ini binaraganya. Aderai, Aderai.
They'll be joining us.
Yeah?
Bisa
I
pencet
don't like them.
shift.
Shocker.
You want these two along? Fine. But I deal with you.
So imut si Kate tuh
Not
pakai
them.
pita-pita.
You good with that?
Like I said, I'm here to help. Bear.
Come on then. Let's hop in that Raven and find some satellites.
No, Raven. The wind flares out there will kill you.
So what? We walk there.
Hey man, if you want to walk, feel free. But we got other plans.
It's not that skiff, is it?
Nah, kan kita pakai ini kan?
man. Before we go, I got a bone to pick. A big one.
Sure. Pick away.
You lied to me. And then, after you got hurt,
Bisa
you pushed
dipasir
us
nih ya?
away.
Like,
Hah, berapa orang?
like we didn't even know you. Look, I haven't exactly been myself, Del. I know that.
Ini kemana?
Showed up today.
All right, I know why we're here.
Ini abang tandain ya.
Where are we going?
Nah, ada menara air tuh. Situ dulu kita.
And just a heads up, the nomads could use some
Itu
help
ada
too.
tandanya sudah.
Then let's do it.
Roket hangat.
Itu jauh ke menara air dulu.
You can't just say let's do it and make the last few months disappear.
Wih.
No, come on.
Mapnya baru lagi ya?
Ya iyalah.
No, see, that's not fair.
Duh,
You're being unreasonable, and I want to
Wih,
see
lewat lewat terowongan, guys.
Not here to prove anything. Just here to help.
As am I. So it appears his decency
Terbang, Jar, Jar, terbang, Jar.
from me.
Ya.
Delta,
Widih, ada kekot.
let me in on something that's kind of relevant.
Oh, checkpoint.
When the UIR base commander
Lagi. Kok nge-lag sih? Loading.
Iya, loading ya. Render. Kok gini?
Oh, ngerender ini map, dia ngerender map.
food sector virus.
Makanya kalau mau enak tuh taruh game di SSD guys. Tapi SSD kita kecil.
For decades.
Buat sistem doang. Lihat bawah Jar, keren.
Ya. Lagi nikung loh.
Malware and reboot the machine.
Oh ini apa? Agar-agar.
Begini.
Cincau.
Aduh. Like.
Ini ada kota ya di sini ya. Nah. Oh bisa.
Lebeo.
Ya. Ngerender mulu ya.
Dan sampai begini loh.
Kiri, Pir.
Ah, itu dia. Widih, turbo kan.
Oh ke situ ya.
Sambil nikung. Mau nikung loh.
Astaga.
Ya, coba ya.
Sama semua.
Oh,
Gara-gara ditikung-tikungin nih sama si Fajar nih.
Enggak ada.
ya
Nggak
noob
ada.
nih.
Enggak ada.
Udah nyampe Jar.
Ini gede banget nih.
So let's park this thing and find an old rocket.
Gila si supirnya pro banget.
Ya. Kandangan Pir, kandangan.
Keren banget, keren. Hey,
Turun. Kok
nggak bisa?
turun?
Alex said there's plenty of swarm out here, so stay sharp.
Ayo pelihari batu licin. Bentar. Tuh, kesini.
Langsung perang ya?
Oh,
Mantap.
hangnya. Gerak.
astaga. Wih, sakit banget kenana.
Kok langsung
Pin down! We gotta deal with those turrets!
nice. Langsung aja granat.
Oh, mereka ada mesin gun.
Oh, pencet R ini loh.
Stay there!
Kenal. Hah? Oh, tolong.
Coming!
Gila, aku di sini.
Mana sih yang nembakin? Sadis ini senjatanya. Sembunyi. Itu loh yang pakai machine gun itu loh yang harus dibasmi dulu.
Yang ini.
Nah, kena lagi. Help.
Maju perlahan. Ih, dapat senjata kayak punya lu, Bang.
Cleo.
Bukan Claw.
Temen deh. Masa nggak pak? Jangan ditembakin dong.
Ayo, naik kita.
Robert, keep him back! Let him have it! Spin those turrets around!
Salah senjata.
Nice boy. Oh, bom lagi. Apa tuh kena tuh? Kena.
Siapa tuh?
I see you, hold tight!
Ya. Kenok, help. Kenok berjamaah. Kenok lagi.
Ini loh di samping. Astaga. Gimana nggak kena?
That's it. They're done. Good night.
Paddock, the swarm tried to stop us, but we're heading into the hangar now.
Good. Your rocket should be inside.
Banyak nih lancer, Bang.
When you need translations.
Nggak perlu lancar, sudah bawa ini.
Speak 5 languages.
Apa?
Okay, got
Ini
it.
benar ya, ke sini ya? Oh, bukan. Ke sana, woi.
Kita nyerbu doang. Mantap, mantap. Ambil peluru dulu, bentar.
Itu siapa yang kena tuh?
Kok jauh banget kita balik ya?
Yang kena siapa? Oh, bukan kena. Ya, gua nyetek. Apa coba?
Terus ngapain?
Dia balik lah, kumpul.
Hah?
Kapal.
Bukan.
Ke sini loh. Ini kumpul.
Hah? Oh, ke bawah tanah kayaknya.
Bukit Hangar.
Bener aja jalannya tadi ya.
Iya.
Loh, teman-teman kita kemana?
Tuh, sudah di sana. Astaga. Pintar banget kita ya.
Ngapain sih?
Orang lagi lari, dia nempel.
Sering terjadi.
Suruh boy merasuki machine gun. Sudah tadi om.
Itu apa tuh?
Let's get inside. Help me.
Cuy. Oh, itu fragment.
Perempuan loh yang buka pintu.
So, where do we go?
Paine.
It's gotta have a
Hitam.
mission control. Or command
Rocket
center.
plane.
Or whatever the UIR called it.
Mission control is accurate enough.
Ini apalagi misinya nggak ada.
Tuh, bawah.
Sini.
Pink yellow cuy.
Wih, keren tempatnya.
Iya, udah asik.
Way to keep it light, Files.
Bosan di es terus.
You know the drill.
Iya. Nggak, yang grafiknya juga keren kok.
Oh. Lah,
Peluru. Perlu. Atas.
tuh. Wah, ini kenapa ini? Wah,
Hah?
help.
Apa sih?
Sangkut tuh ini di bawah.
Lu jalan di bawah aja lu.
Udah lari lock bentar ya. Hah?
Apa sih?
Di lock bentar.
Hah?
Di lock.
Apa? Tuh udah. Boy, centerin boy.
This must be the place.
Let's get some light in here.
Mana sih?
Nih,
Oh itu tuh. Tuasnya nih.
Agak bisa, abang lagi megang senjata besar. Ah, itu lampu doang.
Well, the lights work at least. And I'd say we found the rocket hangar.
Maybe I need new glasses, but I'm not seeing any rocket.
Paddock, Baird.
Rencananya mau
The hangar's empty.
Well, shit. If the
Apa itu geser-geser tuh?
there's gotta be a record of it.
Keren.
You know what? Hack into an access port. Let's see if Jack can bypass that virus.
Terus kita ngapain?
nih.
Okay, Jack's giving me a window into the mainframe. Whew, that's some nasty malware.
Oh, ini udah boy.
Semi-sentient.
Don't worry, Jack's got this. Right, buddy? No virus can stop Jack.
Data's coming in. Pat, I assume you can read this?
Yes, but much of it is encrypted. Okay, the rocket's nose cone is close. Check the assembly chamber on the other side of the hangar.
Nose cone? What about the rocket?
The Hammer satellites are part of the nose cone. Go
Ini
deal with
roketnya.
that, and we'll keep digging on the rocket's location.
Wilco, Delta out.
Ini udah kah boy?
Let's go find those satellites.
Udah.
Tuh, kebuka pintu. Yuk, guys.
Boss, you're Vasgari. Did you read those files?
Nah, I was born in New Ethera.
Mana kita? Kemana?
My parents would need to speak Vasgari with me right now. They want to see me different.
Banyak senjata, ngeluting bawah.
You could have hidden half a city in here.
Ada bom shoot.
Massive.
Ini apaan nih?
Don't envy whoever had to build it.
Kita harus kemana? Atau ke atas sih?
Ya emang.
Okay, now what? Well, let's bring that platformy thing this way.
Bisa
Let's call
pelan-pelan.
it gantry. Is it then?
Okay, Foz, take us across.
With pleasure.
Oh, nunggu papa doang.
One thing,
Iya
Joe.
nih.
I
Dasar.
mentioned how the UIR
Lambat.
attacked that facility and tried to launch our Hammer of Dawn satellites.
Yeah.
I led that attack.
Did?
Waduh.
To destroy the cog.
Yeah, well.
Mana nih kemana? Oh, sini terus.
These days, I'm somewhat less interested in destroying the cog.
Good to know, Paddock. Okay, let's go.
Ayo, let's go.
Satellites are through here. Help me with this.
Open.
Oh, kosong ya?
Well, no satellites here. Let's keep looking.
Come here.
Paddock, I'm curious.
Find rocket.
How long did your siege
Nose
against this place
cone.
last?
3 days. We attacked the moment Premier
Wah, ada
Deshae
botol.
sat down
Nice
with
banget.
your chairman to discuss the armistice.
Sini.
You hit us with the hammer
Oh,
first.
sini.
We
Si
thought
boy
it was
duluan
only
keluar.
fair to hit back.
Wait. Guys, company.
Mana musuhnya, mana?
Alive, here we go!
Sini kalian.
Jangan tembak dah. Yang ini jangan tembak nih. Tukang panah nih. Jangan tembak.
Iya, ada tandanya kok.
Lah udah ya.
We dropped them all. Now,
Siapa yang bunuh?
let's get them
Ya,
moving.
emang.
Paddock, Baird. Ran into some swarm, but we're back on track.
Also, Paddock, cog that hammered you 50 years ago isn't us. We're not them.
Oh, maju.
If you launch those satellites, you'll be
Oke, pintu dua nih.
the same mistakes.
What is this knob even on about?
Gas.
Wah, ada. Ah, kena.
Oh, sniper.
Hold tight.
Mati loh. Ya, boy, lu bunuhin dia, boy. Serang, Jar, maju, Jar.
Sini langsung naik.
lemah sih senjatanya.
That's the last one.
So, let's keep looking for those satellites.
Mana tadi granat?
Gak ada apa dong. Ini.
Kan cari itu roket ya.
Ini anunya roket.
Nggak lagi.
There, by the door, more of them.
Oh ini
Mana?
nih.
Mana sih? Kenal.
Yang dibunuh dong. Nggak bisa dibunuh.
Okay, they're down. Again. Come on.
Kemana kita kemana? Sini nih.
Look at this.
Loh,
Quite a fight.
Boy duluan.
Then that's the door you want.
Nggak mau ngambil peluru. Ada lagi loh. Belakang.
Alright, let's get set up. They're coming.
Ini banyak peluru sini.
Well, Jackie cut that
kagak usah
door open.
peluru, machine gun dong.
Oke, dapat mesin gun.
Shit, we got poppers! Don't let them get too close!
Wah, mudah banget pakai ini ya.
Ya.
Waduh besar.
Ayo sini maju. Aduh panas senjatanya panas.
Damn, there's a lot of them.
Habis ya? Maju sini kalian.
Gila enak banget senjatanya ini.
Sayur doang ternyata ya. Datang lagi nih tuyul. Gak ada habisnya mereka ya.
Jangan dibunuh gua, jangan bunuh.
Don't punch us!
Kepala.
Pas dalam itu.
Ajar terus. Kepala. Ya, iya lu gangguin dia, boy. Apa nembak kepalanya?
Kenok. Tolong.
No. Awas. Kok ngejar abang lu ya? Kena lu, hah? Mati nggak lu? Aduh, panas lagi senjatanya. Hancur.
Okay, that was certainly a handful.
Yes. Go.
And another news. Jack got the door open. Good job.
Boy, jangan duluan lu boy, nyari peluru dulu boy.
Bentar.
Gak ada apa-apa.
If my parents hadn't have left Asgard, my dad might have been here fighting off Paddock's men.
You
Ya, udah gak ada apa-apa.
What did your father do? He was a surgeon. Then he was lucky. We shot every doctor we captured.
Tar.
Turn him off.
Peluru banyak. Nggak bisa diambil dong.
Ya lah ini lo udah siap-siap buka pintu.
Mana sih?
Bang, mana bang?
Oh buntu.
Ya di mana? Sini loh.
Jalannya lewat mana? Oh, I'm sorry guys. Ah, lambat banget kalian.
Rah lo Pak.
Apa ini? Bos lagi kah?
Gotcha. We found the nose cone. Oh man, but it's missing satellites.
Wait. I see the others.
broken.
Either side of the chamber.
Let's get on that gantry. We'll load them up one at a time.
Good idea.
Terus apa ini ya?
Gimana ya caranya kita nyebrang? Call the satellite.
Boy. Lo situ boy.
Gantry over.
Tuh boy. Ini loh boy.
Ada. Oh, ini dia.
Get your bot to move the gantry.
Ini semacam kapal feri.
Too slow.
Let's do this.
Too late.
Iya tuh like.
Terus?
Which platform should we hit first?
Make the call.
Choices. All right, off we go then.
Claw ini enak loh. Jatuhnya pelurunya banyak banget. Pelurunya lama. Claw.
Having a problem, pal?
No.
Weapon.
Just figuring it out.
Ini kita kemana?
Yang lagi
So our
pulang.
friend Pattis got some interesting thoughts on the Hammer
Itu
of
dok.
Dawn.
Oh, itu tuh ke pintu yang bundar tuh.
He tried to launch it himself.
Okay, let's get that thing loaded onto the nose cone.
Bentar, cari peluru dulu.
Boleh.
Let's try this.
There, satellites on the move.
Stay clear of that rail, people.
Ini satelitnya nih, nih.
Bot's having some trouble, mate. Reboot it.
Woi. Oh, ada tangga, untung ada tangga.
Well, that's bollocks. It's stuck.
Dapat lindas loh.
Maybe it just needs a nudge.
Knock the satellite free. Ada bendera Indonesia. Ternyata
Mana?
satelitnya bikinan Indonesia, guys.
Mana?
Nah, kita ngapain nih?
Knock tuh kayak dihancurkan ya.
Tembakin.
Kan membebaskan. Apakah boy?
Bukan. Ini nih.
Okay. Maybe it needs more of a shove.
Harus didorong nih. Yuk.
Oh iya.
Ini lagi.
Aja.
Put them down fast before they wreck this thing.
Serang dia, boy.
First one's down.
Dah. Tunggu boy, tunggu sini aja boy. Tunggu dulu boy.
Ngapa?
Iyalah.
Jangan tembak kita.
Tunggu dulu. Astaga.
Nelson number 2 has left the platform.
Ayo.
Satellites is pretty on the nose cone. One down.
Then let's get the gantry over to the other side.
Right, on it.
Ya, ini lagi dong.
Apa?
Okay, let's go.
Brace yourselves. This
Oh,
might be a little.
satu lagi tuh. Nah, tuh yang sana tuh.
Tuh kan?
Hey, what if Paddock's right about launching?
Kita harus masang sebelahnya tuh.
Shit! Swarm on the other platform!
Wah, ada musuh. Jagain terus. Tembak.
City shots down here!
Boss, get us higher.
On it!
Siapa tadi yang nembak?
Gua.
Oh shit!
This is
Yeah.
the opposite of higher.
I'm aware of that. Got it! Got it!
Just keep us moving.
Doing my best! Fire in the hole!
Fire in the hole. Haha, meledak lo.
Shit! Zion! We got a bastard too!
Aduh,
Awas, awas. Awas menghindar.
tembakin drone-nya.
We gotta get off this thing.
Well, there's a higher platform to the left. Hang on.
Ah,
Target that basket!
Tembakin drone dulu bang. Kan kena lagi kan, bertiga lagi.
Yeah, I see.
Boy.
boy.
Hah? Yo.
Boy, nggak kelihatan boy. Boy,
On my way! Bars, you missed it!
tembakin drone-nya dulu bang.
Oh iya iya. Iya.
Parallel block in the sailboat!
Yah, meledak.
Ah, hancur. Meledak.
You don't get up! I'll draw their fire from the gantry!
Ayo basmi dia. Oh, no. Kabur. Ah, kena.
Kelompok bertiga.
Boy, tolongin boy.
Hah?
Yeah,
Boy.
come in!
Boy, mati boy.
Ayo boy, buruan boy.
Sempat mati.
Ya.
Ya,
sempat mati.
si boy. Kok malah turun
Si
si boy?
boy.
Astaga si boy.
Itu lo lagi naik.
Okay, let's go.
Brace yourselves.
Dari
This
mana
might
nih?
be a little rough.
Di sini dong.
Nih.
Gak usah dibunuh mereka. Gak usah. Sembunyi aja. Gak usah buang-buang itu Jar. Sembunyi aja. Gak penting. Biarin aja, gak apa-apa.
We're sitting ducks down here.
Boss, get us higher.
On it. Fire in the hole!
Oh, kena lo.
Shit!
This is the opposite of higher.
Gagal kita kalau nggak nembakin.
Masa sih?
Iyalah.
Got it!
Just keep us moving.
Doing my best!
Frag out.
Boom.
Low frag! Shit! Zion! And we got a bastard too!
Ah, boy.
Hah?
Boy.
Udah.
Nih drone-nya dulu. Ayo, kena lagi.
Well, there's a higher platform to the left. Hang on. Get us there now!
Drone-nya dulu.
Friendly fire! Target that basket!
Dah, drone hancur.
Baru roketnya muncul nih. Roket.
Check fire!
Oh, bisa ditembak itu ya?
Bars, you missed it! I know, mate! It's like parallel block in a sailboat!
Awas.
Ah, habis peluru dah.
Oh, lihat apa di atas lah.
Hey, one don't get off! I'll draw their fire from the gantry!
Ayo, jangan mati lagi.
Boss, they're clear! Take us away! Here we go!
Okay, Del, let's clear this platform.
You got it! Okay, no, you've got drones coming in from the far side!
Boy, lu jadi anak buahnya boy. Lu jadi anak buahnya.
Guys down!
Mati tuh yang bomnya.
Incoming fire! JD, that all of them? Yeah, looks like it, yeah.
Then Boss, stop the gantry so we can connect the satellite.
Pakai deh senjata mereka ini. Oh, pelurunya banyak.
Let's get this done.
Dong.
Dapat flashbang. Ya, udah wallet.
Ayo. Ah. Serbu. Peluru menipis, guys.
Hah?
Peluru menipis.
Be right there.
Terus. Boy, lu sambil bikin kebal, boy. Peluru mau habis lagi.
Satu habis.
Well, that went swimmingly.
No comment.
Look for another switch, just like the other one.
Adakah peluru?
Ini loh. Ya.
I'll take that.
Let's bring it home.
Ayo, dorong lagi.
Watch your head. Here come.
Mati ya, Bang Jar.
Apa sih, Bang?
Kelindes. Astaga. Bener-bener dah buset dah.
Cih. Ya, ngelawan bilang.
Ya. Sawas. Kamar bas. Oh. Dia ternyata ke bawah juga ya. Mana sih? Habis. Telat, boy. Habis pelurunya.
Stay down.
One block down.
We're not out of this yet.
Kagak punya peluru.
I got him.
Yes.
Well, that went swimmingly.
Bentar dong, nyari peluru dong.
Look for another switch, just like the other one.
Nol loh peluru.
Aman.
Masa pakai pistol?
Berdiri aja lagi di sini, Pak.
Langsung jadi sayur kata jakit. Udah.
Bentar, nggak ada peluru kah?
Nggak ada.
Ya udah, ayo.
There.
Ini
Nah,
Watch your head. Here comes
awas,
satellite
awas.
number 2.
Jangan maju, Jar.
Siapa sih?
Oh, Goldberg maju. Nah, nah itu tuh dia keluar sana tuh roketnya tuh.
That's it. All satellites secured.
Back onto the gantry. Let's get him to the hangar.
Not to burst any bubbles,
Tuh,
but
tuh.
we're not getting anywhere till we open that big
Kumpul,
round
kumpul,
door.
kumpul.
Well, there's a platform up there. Head over.
Kita naik roket ya.
You read my mind. All aboard!
Abang pakai ini doang loh. Pakai pistol doang ini.
Okay, let's get up there.
Okay, so what about it? Launching this satellite.
Pasti ada lagi. Pasti ada lagi ini.
He's right that the hammer's dangerous.
Jelas lah,
Believe
kurang
me.
habis lagi.
Get that now.
Not launching these satellites is dangerous.
Apa mau di
Believe
flashback?
me, a world on fire is better than a world we want. We'll get this thing back to the hangar. We worry about the rest later.
Ada something tuh.
Let's try this.
Kita harus membuka itu loh. Nah, itu tuh terbuka tuh.
Opening that door must
Itu.
trigger some automated sequence.
So we babysitted on foot then.
trap di atas itu loh.
And I was just getting the hang of driving it.
Bagus nih di screenshot nih.
Masuk trap dalam.
Ayo pintu, nunggu.
Kok kita nggak menyaksikan ini keberangkatan roket sih?
Di luar nanti.
Come on, up these stairs. We can't lose that nose cone.
Loh, jangan nunggu-nunggu lagi katanya. Nunggu-nunggu itu kebiasaan buruk.
Below us.
Wih, ada musuh.
Pecah pala kau.
What are you doing?
Nah, gitu kok.
Tinggal.
Habis peluru.
Aduh, kena ledakan. Siapa tuh mati tuh? Waduh, bosok gede banget. Oh. Ayo bertarung kita. Hah? Udah mati ya?
Throwing fire!
You're done. Come on, let's catch up to the satellites.
Kalau
Got it.
Mana claw-nya tadi? Habis.
Way through over here.
ayo.
There it is. Let's keep up.
Oh, itu dia tuh. Oh, jalannya pelan
There.
banget ya.
We're escorting the satellites back to the hangar now.
Keputar salah arahnya, woi. Astaga, roketnya salah arah. Oh, belok.
All right, we're on our way.
Tuh, sana kita tuh. Yuk.
Mana?
Ada peluru lagi kah? Gila.
Gak ada.
Nol
Boy,
banget.
boy, gelap boy.
Let's head through here.
Lag.
Enggak kok. Boy, gelap boy.
Ini loh pintu. Bukan ya?
Bukan. Kok makin jauh ke bawah, Jar?
Alright, once we're back in the hangar, we can work our
Kan
way
emang
outside.
sini.
Need some help.
Listriknya mati ya?
Okay, satellites are safe and sound. If we want to get out of here, we should cross to the other side.
Oh tuh dia masih jalan tuh.
Oh shit! Rhino goddamn kill!
Ya banyak musuh di bawah, kampret.
Untung stop di tengah.
Penuh.
Jelek banget sih senjata ini ya.
Bakar, Bang.
Kita kemana sih? Sini, Jar. Ayo, gak usah
Ada
itu.
musuh.
Okay, they're down. Let's keep it moving.
Sini, buruan. Ah, ke tengah sana.
Over there! Incoming!
Kenapa nih? Apaan tuh?
Oi! What the hell is that? It's a carrier! And it's not alone!
Jijik banget ya.
Back up! Back up!
Spread out! Don't let it close us in!
Just keep firing!
Throwing flash grenade!
Aduh, nembakin apa tuh, dia? Bocil.
Kabur.
Bom.
Kok abang sendiri sih yang dikejarnya?
Kami lo di belakang semua, Bang.
Oh, peluru.
Hey, check your aim!
Ah, panas. Oh, meledak. Sayur doang loh.
Bloody hell! Does every carrier burst apart like that?
Yeah, pretty much.
Boy. Coba cek itu, Boy. Apa itu yang merah tuh, Boy? Yang merah ini, Boy. Ini nih, depan papa nih. Coba cek, Boy.
Itu bisa ditembak, Bang.
Fajar. Boy, cek itu, Boy. Itu loh, yang merah ini loh. Ngeluarin asap tuh. Itu bisa dimatiin. Oh, puas banget rasanya.
Hey, found our way back up! Everyone on the lift!
Fajar.
Sudah dikodein. Dia kagak tahu. Ini kita ngapain? Oh, pencet.
Looting peluru dulu dong bentar. Aduh. Kan?
Pencet, Pak.
Pencet. Pencet lah. Ngapain?
Who knew putting a rocket together would be so
Mana?
Listen, scientists.
Peluru dong.
And anyone who's used the expression, it's not rocket science.
Ngalangin
What
nggak
do you
bisa
think?
jalan.
We just push a button marked
Nggak
launch?
bisa keluar.
Oh,
Bulbous.
I see. Yeah, pick on the handsome one, cut him down to size.
So, we're back across.
Yo.
And for the record, I'm the handsome one, okay?
Keren loh grafiknya game ini ya.
Paddock, we're almost out of here. Any leads on that rocket?
Detail banget loh.
It's at a turntable in the
Ini
east.
mana lagi nih?
Dune Sea. There's
Oh,
a
sini.
rail bridge blocking the way, but don't worry. My people will raise it for you. So, out in the desert,
Tunggu deh, dia
find
dialog
train
dulu.
tracks. Then you'll know you're on the right path.
Copy that. All right, let's head for the skiff.
You know, all this time I thought I was the hero.
Oh dear God.
Oh, kesana tuh.
Bisa lari.
Exit the hangar. Keluar kita. Oh, ini tempat awal nih.
Kalau bisa lari, Bang?
Kalau udah masuk sini bisa kok. Bantu.
Oh, gua rusak gitu ya.
Hey, Paddock.
Ayo, kabur.
I got a question for you.
No, I'm on lunch break.
Ya, lambat bener dia.
Ya, apa loading?
Okay, what exactly stops you from launching?
Ini kita keluar kan?
The usual problem.
Jalan keluar kan itu?
200 dedicated patriots trying to defeat 3,000 cowards.
You know, you could just have agreed to the armistice.
Exit.
And spared a lot of lives.
A Groznian proverb for you. A just
Mana tuh orang tua?
better than an unjust peace.
So, just exactly how many Groznian proverbs just...
Gak bisa lari ya?
Kita ke lift. Bukan lift. Ya, lift.
Come on, time to head out.
Nah, rocket plan. Tekan F untuk hit cadangan. Penyerang. Masih bangun kah Om Jaki?
Benar ada beriniknya Om Jaki ini.
Om Jaki tuh lagi nonton sambil kopi hitam pahit, rokok di Samsu. Wah. Masih Mang. Wah. Masih bangun Om Jaki. Ayo kita kabur.
What are you saying? You worried about your people not being able to raise it?
No, they'll handle it. But that bridge, it's old and rusty and... There. Just when you're beneath it, don't linger.
Copy that.
Copy that.
You heard him. Let's head for the bridge.
Sambil main Assassin's Creed. Oh, Om Jaki main Assassin's Creed ternyata ya.
Apparently, Paddock served in the COG for a while.
That guy was COG. When?
Unclear. They didn't seem that eager to talk about
Ledger.
it.
Come on, let's get past the bridge and over
Return
to
to the
that
skip.
turntable.
Tuh, depan. Turbo. 1, 2, 3.
Tuh lewat celah itu tuh.
Turbo.
To be honest, I'm glad my parents came to their senses and left. I mean, growing up round here, in the desert, shaking sand wash from your shoes. Nah, I'm good, mate. You know, this always wasn't a desert, right?
Udah tempat pabrik apa ini ya?
Long before I was born, mate.
Ini kalau tamat ini kami udah bingung nih Om Jaki nih mau main apa nih.
There's the bridge. I hope Paddock's nomads can raise it.
Jembatannya bridge.
There it goes. Well, they haven't dropped it yet. That's good, right?
Kemana sih?
Atas.
Salah jalan, Jar.
And we're through. On the turntable.
Pass under the bridge. Di bawahnya kita. 2000 meter lagi.
3000.
Oh, cuma buka jembatan itu doang tuh.
Hello.
Jauh banget ya.
Apa coba?
Hey, we got something ahead.
Salah, Jar. Ini ada lagi, Jar.
You wanna check it out?
Jar.
Apa?
Itu salah kayaknya tuh.
Kok ke sana? Yang mana sih yang bener? 2000.
Coba.
Sini.
Ya.
Tuh, ujung bawah.
Ini 4000 loh.
Train turntable. Nah, bener kan? Ya, terus. Ikutin jalur kereta aja.
Nggak ada jalur kereta.
Kenapa buhan tentaranya nih salang berjet ski dulu, caka langsung berhelikopter aja lah sampai. Nah itu kami nggak habis pikir juga Om Jaki. Tapi seru sih pakai ini daripada helikopter. Kalau naik helikopter cut skin doang dia. Tabrak aja Jor dah Jor.
Santai, pasti aman, pasti selamat.
Itu ya, petirnya bisa ya. Wah, ini nggak salah lagi nih. Kita di Mars ini. Ini di Mars ini.
Ya, anginnya kencang banget.
Arah lu udah bener belum?
Udah bener.
Ah ya itu tuh bener tuh. Awas nyenggol, awas nyenggol. Awas.
Santai.
Ambil kanan.
Bangsat. Kiri.
Ah ya udah bener ini di bawah. Laut bawah aja di. Nih ya sip sip sip. Kagak bakalan kita kena. Awas belok kanan tajam. Ya.
Oh, terbang.
Aduh gak kelihatan. Lu masuk ke tornado lu.
Terbang. Kemana sih?
Ntar abang lihat map.
Oh,
salah Jar. Iya bener aja bener. Bener aja. Bener. Iya bener bener bener. Pasti aman selamat ini kada sama kena tembak petir. Nah bener kan Om Jaki. Nah itu dia tuh. Akhirnya guys sampai kita.
Aku melambat.
Yes. Ah itu roket tuh.
Huh. Our rocket train's facing the wrong direction. This is why it's called a turntable.
Wis.
Okay, now how do we turn this thing?
Belum apa-apa udah ada.
You know what to do, Delta.
Delta, on the left! Zion!
Headshot. Kuat ya? Kepala terus. Itu siapa tuh? Knock.
Let's do this. What's having some trouble, mate? Another Zion!
Kan, kenokan.
Wih banyak mereka. Waduh kena.
Incoming frag! I've got you, mate!
Dapat peluru. Awas awas. Oh ngumpet sih dia.
Throwing blast grenade!
Sweet.
Ah per kill nih keren nih.
Oh shit, Warden coming in!
Hancurkan itunya boy. Drone-nya boy. Hancur. Ih keren loh overkill. Wih siapa itu tuh?
Gua. Lagi dong.
Ayo. Dia sebel sama si boy digangguin terus. Mati loh.
You brought an axe to a gunfight, mate.
All right.
Peluru habis guys.
Turntable's clear.
Come on, let's get that train turned around.
Drop shoot, gak suka. Mana kita?
Nih. Mang,
Need another pair of hands here.
Dia nyari peluru.
Peluru tuh.
Looks like a control room to me.
Now to access the controls.
Bagi. Wah, udah habis semua.
Tuh. Wih, roketnya cuy.
Beautiful.
Salah pencet. Sorry.
Get it back to the hangar.
Oh, screenshot.
Oh, reckon that train's a step ahead of us.
Shit. Come on, we can catch up to it in the skip.
Kita ngikutin itu lagi. Ayo. Ayo, jar.
Train's
Buruan.
getting away. Come on, onto the skiff. Here we go. Hang on tight.
Kita yang ke 6.000 itu kan?
Hah?
Arah yang 6.000 meter itu kan?
Iya. Enggak, kita ngikutin itu.
Susah jalannya, nggak bisa.
Nanti kelihatan kok. Nah, tuh dia tuh sana.
Because we didn't. Oh, forget it. We'll lower it ourselves.
Get to the bridge control. Ah. Ya, masuk bawah. Cakep. Awas, petir. Wis. Kita bertualang di Mars. Awas, jar. Belok.
Lihat, ngeliat.
Kok suara lu jadi begitu, Jar?
Hah?
Itu dia sana tuh, kiri.
Kanan. Ya, nabrak.
lah.
Kiri, Jar. Ya, lurus aja.
Ya.
Awas. Oh no.
Lihat.
Tuh tornado tuh, jangan lu masukin. Ya, kita ke bawah jembatan. Oh, bukan ya?
Ini 300 meter.
Iya. Ayo, buruan. Come on. Nanti keburu lewat ya. Kita ke pengontrol jembatan.
Ya, perang.
Ya elah, ada lagi mereka ya. Sini peluru, Jar.
Ini banyak.
Bakar.
Kemana sih? Ayo buruan masuk.
Guys, the bridge controls are not an option.
Then we break it down the old-fashioned way.
Okay, but what am I shooting at?
That big clamp. That'll bring it
30
down.
detik. Itu ngapain?
Aduh.
Ya ke atas. Ngapain kita?
Lewat mana? Emang ada jalan ke situ? Hancurin itu. Pakai rudal. Siapa pegang rudal? Hancurin itu. Buruan.
Ini rudal.
Buruan, Jar. iya.
Ngapain sih sudah ditembak udah?
Hah?
Oh ya kan ada roketnya 2 jadi harusnya kita pakai tuh. Masuk.
Oh, you have got to be fucking kidding me!
Clear him out! Clock is ticking, people! The clock is not ticking! The clock is about to explode!
Took him out.
Train's coming! We gotta get that bridge down, now! Let's move, go! Bod's having some trouble, mate! Reboot him!
No, not now!
Lu ngapain sih ke situ, Jar? Awas, lari.
Langsung pakai.
We bring it down the old-fashioned
Mana
way.
sih?
Okay,
Yeah.
but what am I shooting at?
Kambil gua apa?
That big clamp. That'll bring it down.
Dari
Oh
sini
iya
Jar.
tuh, tembak tuh. Tuh kan.
The bridge is coming down.
Ah.
shit.
Pas
That's
banget ya.
Oh, that cut a little.
Ayo, balik.
No rest for the wicked, people. Swarm.
Come on, Delta, put him down!
Dan kita naik kapal lagi cepet.
Think you're tough.
Ayo buruan. Gak usah diladenin.
Ya, langsung aja udah.
We got a pouncer.
Banyak mereka sini. Ayo buruan. Abang udah naik ini. Kok nggak bisa?
Aduh, kena. Harus dibasmi dulu.
Oh boleh juga claw ini ya, asal pas.
Let's do this.
Wow.
Kapan itu locknya?
Tolong.
Del, you've got this.
Ah. Saat dia pakai launcher.
Last one's down.
Salah.
We're good here.
Good news, children. I don't know how you did it, but my scouts
Lancer di mana-mana banjir lancer.
Glad to hear it, Paddock.
Ya.
That's the end of my good news.
Ya bang.
You have another task. Go secure the
Nah, bang
hammer
menjarak lancer
targeting
dulu.
beacons.
Lancer pelurunya banyak banget, sampai 500.
Our system was based on targeting beacons. I was saving
Ambil
that
peluru
info
dulu.
until we knew you could get the rocket.
So where are these beacons?
In the southwest, Cosmonaut Training Facility. And to be clear, if we don't secure those beacons, we don't have
Get to training facility.
2000 meter.
Anyone else surprised by the size of that rocket? It's
Mana nih?
massive. Rockets are big.
Itu training
You know the
facility.
ballistic coefficient you need to accommodate atmospheric drag?
Ini udah checkpoint belum sih?
Well,
Nggak tahu.
Udah tadi.
Huh?
Udah.
Udah ya? Udah ngulang dari awal ya?
No one else cares about. Go ahead and buy
Oke lah,
yours,
kalau
man.
gitu ya.
Not my problem.
Kita lanjut lain kali ya.
Oke.
Besok ya. Soalnya besok hari terakhir di bulan Februari guys. Dan kita banyak kerjaan besok. Jadi kami mau pamit dulu semuanya. Anang bidik di sini. Pamit buat kalian. Boy.
Udah guys.
Peace.
Bye bye guys. Ah pas.
Bye bye semuanya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.